Today I'm gonna try to replace the tailgate light assembly. This is an Outback 2020. I think the assembly is the same for 2020 to 2026. I put a piece of flex tape, which is rubberized waterproof tape, and it holds up pretty well, but it's time to replace it. And this is the new assembly. And there are 4 screws that holds the piece, and this is just a pin that need to be inserted to some locking. And once I unscrew those 4, I should be able to pop it up. The main problem was these 2 parts were covered underneath the tailgate finish panel, so I have to take that off in order to take this assembly off. So first you need to take off this piece of trim, and they're just held by the clips. Just pull. Be careful, there's a cable or tube there. I don't know what's that for. You don't need to take off the whole piece. Just pop those clips. I think 3 should be enough because you just need to be able to access those screws and bolts over there, that one. Basically, we want to take this piece off. I already took this part out. Take a look. And you can see there the 2 screws are holding. The assembly was hiding inside somewhere over there. So let's see if we can take this off and have access to that screw. And to take off this piece, you need to access this Phillips, and you need to take off this trim first. So there are just 3 clips, 1, 2, 3 holding this. So you just pull away from this tailgate and use a pry bar, plastic pry bar. Pry it open. You don't need to take it off, just open it so you can have access to this. And do the same thing to the other side. You need to take off this handle. There's a slot. You can pry it open. Open this cover and you should be able to access 2 bolts here. We're off. I already took 1 off, and now the second one. Now this 2 that holds this piece. Okay, there we go. They're held by those clips. And yes, we can see the screws or the bolts that's hiding inside. There's 1. There's a second one. And that's the other 2 we need to unscrew. There we go. The bolts are out, and we're gonna disassemble this connection, and this guy should pop right off. A little bit hard, but we'll see. So I was wrong. I cannot take this out without taking this plastic cover off, because this is in the way. This guy, I cannot just pull it out. I need to take the entire plastic cover off. More work. And the plastic cover is held by this bolts on both sides. So once I take them off, I should be able to pop this straight up. Okay, more screws to take off. 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 3. So I think I need to take off this piece so I can take off this piece. So to take off this piece, I took out the cover trim here. It was here. I just pulled it out. It's just held by more clips. Once I took that out, I can see this bolt. Unscrew it, and there should be another one, but I cannot access it. So I need to take out this piece. To take out this piece, I need to take out this piece. What's here? And it's just held by more clips, which is very hard to pull, but once you know where they are, just grab it firmly and pull out. So one is here, one in the middle, one on the left, one and two more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see it's by this clip, and just pull it out from that socket. So I'm gonna take out that spoiler piece. There are, I think, 4 bolts holding it. 1, 2, 3 hidden there, and 4. 4 more here. 2 on this side, and 2 on this side. Oh, I need to take that out. Shouldn't be a problem. This clip was stuck inside that and got disconnected from the top. I don't know if you can see that here. That one. Okay, so I'm going to put it back, and that should be clipped back in here. Okay, so I put it back in place. And in case you lock yourself in the car, turn this latch to reopen it. And I'm going to take out this piece, unscrew this. Man, that takes some courage to do that. You can see the boot tab over there. Just need to pull really hard and hope you won't break anything. Okay, I managed to pull those 3 tabs out, but there's still one more holding this piece up. I'm not going to worry about it because I have the access to this panel now. I can take this off, and I'll be able to take this off. Maybe I don't even need to take this off, just slide it out. We'll see. Now the side spoiler is out of the way. I can move this panel without this one blocking. And once I remove this, I should be able to pull this out. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, so I snake a piece of strap under this plastic part and just give a firm pull. This one pops. So be careful, because if you just pull this part, if you use this as leverage to pull this part out, this will break. So pull this underneath and give a pull. This one pop out. Yeah, I think there's another one somewhere here, because I cannot pull this further. Oh, like that. So with that out, I am able to pull this out. Finally. There we go. Remember to take out the old gasket. Okay, now the new piece is in. connect the cable. Screw this already, so I don't need to do it when I put the cover back on. Make sure all the foam gasket is in place, and I'm ready to pop this back boy in again. Do the same thing for the other side. Now put the top trim back. I'm gonna connect this part first on the side. Okay, with that in place. Remember that clip over here on that clip on each of those. Very hard to clip on, so. What's that for? Okay. Actually, don't close this piece too early because we still need to put the back panel in and put that plastic clip here. Same thing for the other side. There's two clips. Input, push back in, and this here. Oops, I forgot I have these two pieces. Side trims. I need to put this back in and connect the wire. So, take this part out again. Okay, put that back in and do the other side. Now the last piece. All right, last piece in. Oh, this one. Oops, pop this back in. Okay. Finally, it's done. Here's the recap. To take out this assembly, you need to take out this finish panel. And before that, you need to take out this because you can see this interlocked. You need to take out this spoiler piece. And before taking this off, you need to take this out. And also you need to take out all the interior panels and trims. It's working now, and hope the information helps you to fix your situation.